Hello there, this is Samuel Reynolds with unlockastrology.com. And I wanted to just give you a crash course on how to do or create your own chart, your chart wheel, that is. And it's very easy to do. What you see is I have my browser already up. I'm using Firefox. And you see here that I'm at astro.com. The formal name for the website is Astrodienst, but we can just call it astro.com. Now, you can do a couple of things once you're actually at the site, and I just wanted to point that out to you. You actually can sign up to become a registered user. It doesn't cost you anything. As you see, it says free there. But one of the quickest and perhaps fastest ways to get a chart is to go here where it says create a horoscope immediately as a guest user. And then you can just click there. I'm going to put in my information. You see here, Samuel Reynolds. And I will put that I do identify as a male. You don't have to. I'm going to put in my birth date. And it is done the European way, which means that it's going to be the date first, then the month, and then the year. And then you put using the 24-hour cycle when you were born. I happen to know I was born at a rectified time of 119. On the birth certificate, it is 120. I was born in the USA, but you see a listing for all the countries there and also states. So you actually, if you're in the United States, you can go straight to, as I can. I was born in New York State. So I go right here. And I was born in Buffalo. And it gives me two choices since there's a Buffalo Corners in New York. So I was born in Buffalo. And up here, what you're seeing is where it has your sun. And I'm going to go over that in another video. But your sun sign, your moon sign, and your rising and degree. So it's already giving you a little bit about your chart. Press continue. And voila, you're at another page. Now, my recommendation is that you go to extended chart selection. You go to extended chart selection, select that as you see there. And then you can use the web default style. I like the Astrodienst style. You can change with the pull down menu there. You can ignore this all for now. That's pretty set. You're using either the tropical zodiac, or if you're into sidereal, or you're using draconic, but we use tropical most often. Geocentric is most often what we use. And if you're not interested in all the lines, because I know some people have talked about seeing aspect lines, you can actually select for none of that to appear and choose draw no aspect lines. And then click here to show chart, and voila, you have a clean chart. And it will have all your planetary positions that I'll go over again in another video. But one thing I'll say, if you want to save it, here's a quick way to save it. Click on the image, and then you'll come to a separate page. Right-click on that image, and then you can save image as. And then I'm going to save it as Sam's chart. And I have it on my desktop. And then I save, and voila. So that's the basics of how to construct your chart using astro.com. I do find that the easiest. There are other websites like alabe.com. That's ALABE.com. So that's yet another site. But my favorite is Astro. So, all right. Thank you.